Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll share with you another brand new airdrop earning opportunity, and the name of the project is Ferra. Ferra Protocol is basically a new DEX on the SUI network. You would find all the lucrative CLMM and DLMM vaults across the SUI network on Ferra. They have only 18.4k followers right now, so we are joining early in this project. If you are a Kaito holder, then you can also participate in this project to earn good rewards. Also, they share lots of updates here, which is really a good sign for a project. As for the funding, they already raised $2 million and are still in the funding round. If you look at their investors, you will see top names such as 3 Ventures, Arche Fund, and SUI Foundation, along with many others. Before joining, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, first subscribe and turn notifications on so you don't miss any future updates. And guys, those of you who haven't joined our Telegram channel, I put the Telegram link in the video description. You can join there. I share the most important daily crypto airdrop news on that channel, so don't miss this. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the video description. After landing here, first you need to check mark their terms and then click on accept. Then you will land on this page. So on the right side here, you will see the wallet connect option. Click on connect wallet. Then you can choose any SUI supported wallet. In my case, I'd select /wallet. Approve the request. Then sign the request. And your wallet will be connected. Next, go to your profile section. Here you can set your name. Then confirm and done. Now let me explain this in the simplest way. If you want, you can invest in this project by providing liquidity, but as most of our subscribers are here to earn free of cost, I'd skip this and don't recommend investing in any project unless you have enough funds. So here is the swap option where you can swap tokens. In the portfolio section, there's nothing right now. Now here is the quest section. If you want to participate for free, just complete these tasks and earn as many points as you can. Here you will find the daily check-in option. Click on that. Then click on check-in. Approve the request. And done. So don't forget to claim your daily points. Also, here you'll find lots of tasks. First, you see the invite friends option. You can share your referral link with your friends, and based on your referrals, you earn points. Next, you need to connect Telegram. Click on go to task. Then you'll come to your profile. Here, click on settings. Then connect your social accounts. First, let's connect Telegram. Click on connect. Accept. And done. Next, let's connect Discord as well. Click on connect. Authorize. And done. Next, connect your X account. Click on connect. Authorize the app. And done. After connecting all, go back to the quest section. Select the Telegram task again. Then click on check. And it's completed. Next, click here to follow them on X. Click on go to task. Follow their account. Then click on check. And it's done. Next, again click on the X task. Click on go to task. Follow their account. Then check again. And it's done too. Next, you need to join their Discord. Click on the task, then go to task. Accept the invite. Then come back and click on check. And done. So similarly, complete all these tasks, which are really easy to complete. You need to complete as many free tasks as possible to earn points. Also, click here on more. Here you'll find the leaderboard option where you can see your ranking along with top earners. Then in the referral section, you'll find your referral link, which you can share with your friends and see the details here. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like the video. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.